Welcome to Adorable Corner, where sensible reigns. It is our promise to keep you informed and entertained with all that makes sense. Do subscribe to this channel and like our videos always.
Hello and welcome to another tutorial, still on Gmail in standard view with JAWS. And today we are talking about email management, how to manage your email. But just before I start, if you enjoy what I do here at all, please, I would love you to subscribe to my channel and please like this video and do make sure you share it in your cycle. That will really help me a lot, and it will also help your friends to grow while they learn. That said, let's quickly get into today's tutorial. Managing your emails. Like I said, that's what we are learning today. And when we talk about managing your emails, we want to talk about deleting those emails you do not want again. We want to talk about sending 1 or 2 emails into archives. We want to talk about how you can also do some other things, that I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial in order for you to sufficiently manage your emails, be it in your inbox or in any other label, or if you like, call it folder. So I'm going to launch Chrome.
Windows D, folder view, list view, debut video, G, Google Chrome, 7 of 26, enter.
Let's wait for it to load.
To move to an item, press debut, JAWS professional. Debut JAWS professional.
We're still waiting for Chrome to launch.
Debut professional, JAWS professional. Debut JAWS professional. JAWS professional. JAWS version 2020. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. To move to an debut, new tab, Google Chrome. New tab, Google Chrome.
Good. Now we have Chrome. I'll go to my Gmail straight away.
Control L.
Let's go to Gmail.
G. M-A-I-L. Gmail, enter. Lang. Page has no links. New tab. Tab. Gmail, Google Chrome. Gmail, Google Chrome. Gmail. 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 Basic HTML view button. Gmail. Basic Google Workspace graphic. Loading standard view. Table, column 1, row 1. Main region, primary tab panel. Grid, column 1, row 1. Inbox 6500, inbox 6000.
Good. Right here, I have my inbox open. And the first thing I would show you here is how you can archive any mail you so desire to archive. Archive simply means that you want to send that particular mail selected to all mails. That's what that means. To do that, as usual, we're going to turn off virtual PC cursor because here we're going to be using some keywords that are specific to Gmail. So let me turn virtual PC cursor off.
Use virtual PC cursor off.
Good. So if I scroll down now,
main region, primary tab, unread, Amanda, Garth 9, servers, unread, Michael Godse, server audible books from Matthew West, Sep 12, can anyone get some?
I have some unread mails in here. Now, if I want to send anyone to archive, what can I do? I can select a particular mail or even more than one and send it to archives. Let's say I want to send like just one of them, okay, let's say 2 to
Unread.
archive.
Unread.
Let's start from here.
Unread. Burn.p.g9. Stop pause slash resume say all with
This is one. Now, to select this particular mail, I'm going to press letter X. X as you have it in X-ray.
X. One selected.
You can hear that. One selected. So, let's say I have another one here.
Unread. Brian.Quentin 16. Read. NVDA's built-in OCR capabilities. 5:52 a.m. Topic retitle for clarity and archival purposes.
I also want to select these. I press X.
X. 2 selected.
2 selected. Now let me select one more.
Unread. Amanda.Garth 9. Server spam opening downloaded files in the Audible app. 10:09 p.m.
X.
3 selected.
3 selected. What if I have selected the second one by mistake and I want to unselect? I'll just scroll to it.
Selected. Unread. Brian.Quentin 16.
Now once you scroll to any mail that has been selected, JAWS will tell you selected. Right? That's how you know. So if I press X on this one, it will be unselected.
X. 2 selected.
You can hear that. 2 selected. So if I check it.
Selected. Unread. Brian. Selected. Unread.
This is the first one.
Unread. Brian.Quentin 16.
This is the second one I selected. It has been unselected. If I scroll down.
Selected. Unread. Amanda.Garth 9.
That's the
Server
top
spam
one.
opening downloaded
But I'm
files
going
in
to
the Audible
select
app. Unread.
the second one
Brian.Quentin
again.
16. Read.
Press
X.
X.
3 selected.
3 selected. Now, to send these 3 mails into archive, all I need to do is to press letter E and it will automatically be moved or sent to archive. So I'll press E.
E. Unread. Michael Godse. Server Audible books from Matthew West. Step 12. Can anyone get some more books from Matthew West? He is a great storyteller. Thanks, Michael. Server mailing list server at livingaudio.net. http:// row 3 conversations archived. Undo link. None selected. None selected.
You can hear that. 3 conversation archived. Right? That is one way to go about it. Now let me show you another way to archive email.
Z. Unread. Brian Vogel. Unread. Michael Godse. Unread. Unread. Michael Godse.
This is
Server
one
Audible books
mail.
from Matthew West.
I'm going to select it.
X. 1 selected. Unread. Brian Vogel 2. Doc and find.
This is another one. I'll select it.
2 selected. Unread. Master Mull. Server sister Fidelma series. Step 12.
I'm going to select this one too.
X. 3 selected.
Now, having done that, I can press Shift F10 to activate the context menu, or if I have the physical application key, I'll just press it here.
Applications. Context menu to navigate. Press up or down arrow. Move the tab. Black right pointing point.
Now, if I scroll amongst the options that we have here,
Reply 2 of 14.
we have reply,
Reply all 3 of 14.
reply all,
Forward 4 of 14.
forward
as attachment 5
forward
of
as
14.
attachment,
Archive 6 of 14.
archive. So this is archive. If I press enter on these now, all right, it will archive. Now let's do that.
Enter. Leaving menus. 3 conversations archived. Undo link. None selected. None selected.
3 conversation archive. That has just been done. All right. So I've shown you 2 ways you can archive your mail. So let's move to the next one, which is deleting. How do you delete email?
Main. Unread. Free.
I'm going to
Unread.
select.
Bernard Hemming. Unread. Unread. Bernard Hemming. Server files.
Let me
Unread.
delete
Unread. Bernard
just
Hemming.
one
Server
mail.
files added 12/09/2022. Step 12.
I can
DVDS.
select it if I
Documentary
like.
SSX. 1 selected.
Selected. Now, haven't selected these now, I can press the hash button on my number row. Now that's on number 3. When you hold down your shift key and you press number 3, this mail will be deleted. Now, this is the way it happens on Gmail. When you delete any email from your inbox, it moves to trash. It will be there for, I think, 30 days or so before Google can now delete it permanently. You can also do that by yourself, like deleting everything in your trash. I'll show you how that is done also, but let's get this one deleted. Shift, then number 3.
Number. Unread. Freeebooks.net. Expires soon. Ham. Step 12. How much money do you want? Ham. I have a friend named Tom. He came from a good family but had no money. His job was not going to give him the lifestyle he wanted. Row. Conversation moved to trash. Undo link. None selected. None selected.
So if you listen to the end of that message, you would have heard JAWS saying conversation moved to trash. So I think I should reduce the rate of this JAWS a little. I think that will help.
Slower. 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 Faster.
Yeah, so let's leave it this way. Now, if I want to delete multiple emails, without using the X button, that's the alphabet X, pressing it repeatedly to select. That's what I'm going to show you right now. All right. Now, you need to press key combination here to do this. And the key combination is star plus letter A. Now, star is your shift 8 on the number row, and you press A immediately. All right. If you delay too much, it will not work. Yeah. So when immediately you press star, then you press letter A. So let me do that.
Star A. 50 selected.
You can hear that 50 mails have been automatically selected by Gmail, right? If I press the hash key, it will delete. But what if you don't want to use the hash key? You can also delete from the context menu by pressing application, Shift F10 if you don't have the physical one.
Applications, context, reply to,
Let's go to
reply all, forward as an
delete.
archive, delete 7 of 15.
I'll press enter here.
Enter. Leaving menus, inbox 6529 emanueljanate@gmail.com Gmail. 8 selected, 50 conversations moved to trash, undo link, none selected.
You can hear that now. 50 conversation moved to trash. All right. That is how you can select and delete mails without you using the X. Imagine if I want to be pressing X 50 times. That will have taken a lot of time. All right. So let's now go to how you can empty your trash. That's delete everything in your trash permanently. So let's go to trash. The shortcut to go to trash is GT, I think. Let me try.
GT.
If I'm
Top
correct.
of file 2. Ayabami. Here is the thing. As attachment. Step 11. Hello, please forgive me. I have been very busy. Title is sent mail emanueljanate@gmail.
Oh, this is sent mail. Yeah. Okay, trash is one of those labels that will not display in your labels. Let me go to GL and type trash. GL.
Banner region, search and mail search region,
So
search
let's
and mail
type
edit combo, label to set the value, use the arrow
trash.
keys or type TRASH, label trash 81.
Press
1 of
enter.
1, enter, sent mail emanueljanate@gmail.com Gmail, main region, grid, unread, Bernard Hemmings, server, top of file, unread, Bernard Hemmings.
So let me confirm that by pressing insert T.
Title is trash emanueljanate@gmail.
Yeah, we are on trash right now. Okay. What if I want to delete all the emails here at once? I don't want to select and, start deleting one after the other. If I press Shift Tab from this level here, let's see.
Empty trash now button to activate, press space bar.
You can hear that. Empty trash now button. And if I press the space bar on it, everything in this trash label will be deleted. Let's try it.
Space. Confirm deleting messages dialog. To navigate, use tab.
Yeah, let me confirm it.
Close button. OK button. To activate, press space bar.
Space bar on OK.
Space. None selected. Main region. Empty trash now button. To activate, press space bar. All messages have been deleted. None selected. None selected.
All messages have been deleted. And that just confirms what I have done. So I'll move back to inbox GI.
GI. Main region, primary tab panel, grid, unread, Bernard Hemmings, server files added 07/09/2022. Step 8, audio books, ** Catherine Mackenzie, please join us. MP3 ** Michelle.
The next thing I want to show you is forwarding mails. How can you forward mail? If you have a particular mail and you want to forward it to your friend or something.
Guy, unread, unread, Joseph Lee, Event Tracker 22.
Good. So let me open this.
Enter.
I'm pressing enter.
Main region, Event Tracker 22.09 security update requiring NVDA 2022.2 or later number added.
Now this email has been opened. Have it in mind that if I want to read this email, I will need to turn off virtual PC cursor in order to read it. But I'm not interested in reading. I just want to forward. So I don't need to turn on virtual PC cursor. Haven't opened it. I'll just press letter F.
F. List with 1 items. Joseph Lee, Joseph.Lee 22590 at gmail.com via groups.io Sep 7. 10:37 p.m. 6 days ago. Not start reply Morton. Show details. Hi all. Event Tracker 22.09 is now available. https://github.com/joseph/ev tracker/releases/download/22.06/ev tracker 22.09. Add an important. This is a security update and requires NVDA 2022.2 or later. 2022.2.2 or later is recommended. As well as result.
That's fine. I just wanted you to listen to the email. Now I'm going to press my tab key.
Message body edit. Type in text.
You see I'm on message body. If I shift tab.
2. Search field extended. Select list box. Edit combo collapse.
I have 2 edits. That's where I can type the email I want to send it to. So I'm going to type my personal email.
HAHED list box. homogeneatedeboil@gmail.com. homogeneatedeboil@gmail.com.
Now it has been suggested. I'll press tab to accept the suggestion.
Main region list with 1 items. Joseph Lee, Joseph.Lee 20.
Now press tab again.
Message body edit. Type in text.
And that takes me to the message body. We're not going to have subject here because the subject will automatically read forward message from blah 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 blah. But if you want to edit the subject, you can refer to the email tutorial I did on how you can reply mail. So I'm going to type the subjects. Let me just type. Take a look at this.
TAKEALOOK at TAISM this comma space it the will AELP help you period.
Let me read.
Take misspelled a look at this. It will help you. Misspelled a look. Spelling options. Press tab space. Misspelled spell L A L space A look.
Okay, so I've just corrected that error. Let's read again.
Take a look at this. It will help you.
Okay, so if I want to send it, I can press Control plus Enter. All right, but if I want to attach files, I want to do some other things like I've explained in the previous tutorial, you can go through them and you know how they can be done. So I press Control plus Enter and this will be sent to the selected recipient.
Control alert, cancel, June 8 alert, undo. Message sent.
Good. As you could hear, that confirmation message has just come. Message sent. All right. I'll go back to inbox.
GH. Escape. Back. Main region. Primary tab panel. Grid. Joseph. Me too.
All right. So the next thing I want to show you is how you can move back to your previous position. Now, what do I mean by that? Let's say you are reading a particular mail.
Unread. Manoli Brian 7. Settings import / export feed.
Look at this mail and I press enter.
Enter. Main region. The settings import/export feature contains text. Conversation opened. 7 messages.
Now, the email has been opened. I don't want to read it. I just want to show you something. If I press GI now, it will take me back to inbox, but the focus will be on the first message to start all over again. But if I want to go back to inbox and ensure that focus will automatically be on this email that I have opened, instead of using the GI jump shortcut, I'm going to use another shortcut, which is Alt plus left arrow. Let's see.
Back. Main region. Primary tab panel. Grid. Manoli Brian 7. Settings import/export feature. Step 7. On web. Step 7.
You can see automatically focus is on the last email that I opened. Right? Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is how
Conversation
you
start. Conversation.
can start a mail. Yeah, that's the next thing I'm going to show you.
Joseph. Start. Joseph. Me too. Unread. Acapaz. Joseph.
Now, let's say this email is very important. I want to start it so that I can always have access to it. Even when I delete some mails, this particular one will not be deleted. Once you gain focus on whatever you want to start, just press alphabet S and that will start.
S. Conversation start.
Right?
Conversation start.
Here, you can also select multiple emails and get them started. Just use X on each mail. Then, after you are done selecting them, you can press S, and that's going to start them. All right. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you will be how to search a mail. Let me go to inbox right now.
GI unread. Bernard Hemmings.
And turn on virtual PC cursor.
Use virtual PC cursor on.
Now, let's go to search. You can do that with your down arrow.
Table, not start, but not import. Bernard Hemmings. Link server, not heading level 2. Inbox 6. Basic on none. Visited. Collapsed. Visited. Link main menu button. Visited. Same. Heading level 2. Search and mail. Search and mail. Edit as pop-up menu.
So we are in the search mail right now, and once you get to this pop-up, you
Enter
can
banner region. Search and mail. Search region.
press enter. But if you have your forms mode not set to manually open, it will automatically open, and you will hear that click you just heard when I press enter. All right. You can search a mail by so many ways, but I'm going to use searching by name. Yeah, I'll use searching by name. So if you know any email sent to you by somebody and you want to find it, you can just type the name and you should be able to find it. So let me type my name.
HAMED. Hammed list with 7 items. Open mail. Welcome to Chizuba. Hammed. Joel 3 Chizuba. Me.
You can see I already have all the mails that has to do with my name.
Open mail. This is the required document. Step 11. Me. Imaginate gmail.com.
So what I'm doing is to scroll on them, and if I want to read any one of them, I can just press enter and I'll be able to read it.
Open mail. Hammed. Review your Google account settings. Step 4. The Google account team. Me. Open mail. Hammed. Your employment details. Joel 30. Hope for Nigeria. Me. Open mail. Hammed. 6/17/21. Me. Secrets@gmail.com. All search results for Hammed. Press enter.
So that's it about how you can search, your mails. If you also remember the subject of a particular mail you are looking for, you can type the subject into the search edit field and you get that mail. And that saves you the stress of scrolling to look for it. Let's say the email you want to search for is even on number 1000. So how many times would you scroll in order to be able to find it? It will take, a lot of time to do that. But if you use this method, you'll be able to get the email and do whatever you want to do on it as fast as possible. I want to believe you've learned a lot on email management, on how you can manage your mail. Till I see you on another tutorial that promises to be very, very beneficial. This is Adorable signing out right here.
Many thanks for your time. Please support what we do by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Little drops of water make a mighty ocean. Keep your support coming and do well to share this video in your cycle. Chat with me via WhatsApp for possible questions. Notifications and contributions on +23 480 61609 134. Cheers!